Asrock is celebrating 10 years of Taichi. Yes, this is the X870 10th anniversary Taichi motherboard, and we're going to be putting it in a super clean build. So it'll be interesting to see how this performs, and then I'll show you where we get our Windows 11 Pro keys from for super cheap. Originally $35, but if you use code IFR25, you can get it for only $26. Let's get into it. Okay, it's time to activate our Windows because we are not activated yet, and for that we use Whokeys.com. I've been using them since 2023, actually before then, and they've been reliable for me for getting cheap Windows keys. If I have a search for Windows in the Microsoft Store, you guys can see that if we wanted to get the full suite of Windows products, we'd be paying $159 per year. However, on Whokeys, I can get Office 24 Pro for $28.84. But that's not all. If I go to my cart, and I go to checkout, and I use code IFR25, which they gave me ages ago because I've been using them for so long, I apply that, I could get a 25% discount, so that brings it down to $21 US. Pretty incredible. A one-time payment, not a reoccurring subscription. Windows 11 Pro, $35 US. If we go add to cart, proceed to checkout, and we type in code IFR25 for 25% off, hit apply, we get down to $26 US. Loads of payment methods, and after you've paid, you just go to the user center, and as you can see here, this is the one that I've just bought, so we go view order status, and there we go. So that took about 2 minutes for the get the key button to pop up. So if I go get the key, my key shows right here. I can copy the key, then I can start typing activate. Click on activation settings. You'll see that I'm not activated, so we go change product key, then we paste the key in there, and we click next, we click activate, and there we go, Windows is activated. It's as easy as that. So was it good to actually get Windows 11 Pro? Well, for me, it has Hyper-V, meaning that I can have a virtual computer right inside my machine without needing third-party software. It also includes BitLocker, so if my PC ever gets stolen, then the hard drive will lock itself down so that thieves cannot steal any of my important information. And we also have Remote Desktop, so that is just an app on here which you can access your work computer from pretty much anywhere in the world from any device. And I find that very handy in our line of work. If anything ever goes wrong with your order, they have 24-hour support. They've got a live chat down the bottom here, and I typed hi there at 2:30 and I had a response at 2:31. So they got back to me within 1 minute, which is pretty good. And we are 100% active, costing a fraction of the price. Wow, I don't even think saying a fraction of the price does it justice. It's a fraction of a fraction. 379 Australian dollars for Windows. That is... Ooh. Doing the Dark Ages 4K Ultra Nightmare mode. Let's go. Right now we're seeing around 62 FPS, 64 degrees on the CPU, and around 40 degrees on the GPU. Ah, we got him. 40 degrees on the GPU, 64 on the CPU, 62 FPS in 4K Ultra Nightmare mode. Avatar Frontiers of Pandora 4K Ultra. As you guys can see, we're getting 60 FPS, and the CPU is sitting around 67 degrees Celsius, the GPU around 41 degrees. And we do see periodic jumps all the way up to around 65 degrees, but what I'm really mainly after here is smooth gameplay. And what I'm really noticing here is in those more open scenes, the FPS jumps all the way up to around 70 degrees, but the CPU temperature comes way down to around 55 degrees Celsius. The GPU is still around that 40 degree mark. Well, what a gorgeous build. Simple yet elegant. And guys, if you like builds like this, then consider checking out this video where we built something truly unique and special. Consider subscribing. Let us know down in the comments if you like these really clean, simple builds or you like more custom stuff. And we'll see you all in the next one.